Hi crafty friends, Jen Gross here with the iCrafter design team, and I'm going to share how to use the Self-mending ProCutting Deck with the Spellbinder Platinum machine. The first thing you need to know is that you need the iCrafter base plate to go with this sandwich. This is a little bit thinner than the one that comes with the actual Platinum machine, and you need that extra space to go ahead and use the Self-mending Magnetic ProCutting Deck. It's a 3-ply deck with self-mending on both sides, and the magnetic area holds pretty darn tight. I am using a cheetah die from the Animal Prints die set here, and it is pretty detailed. So the sandwich goes the iCrafter base plate, the Self-mending ProCutting Deck, an 85-pound piece of cardstock is what I'm using, along with that cheetah die. You can use any clear cutting plate that comes with your machine or that you get as a replacement. When you run it through, there is no cracking because there's a little bit of give in that Self-mending ProCutting Deck, and it runs through beautifully. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how the details worked out with this cut here. Let's take a look at the back. It looks like things have cut through. Give it a few taps here, and you can see that the die pieces are just popping out. There might be a few here that I have to help persuade out with my nail or with the little pokey tool here for those that are a little bit smaller. But look, it does a beautiful job die cutting this detail die. And yep, there you go. You've got a really great, beautiful piece. So the ProCutting Deck is one I've been using since November. So it's gently loved. It's got a little bit of wear and tear with some staining to it, but you can actually wash this with soap and water. And you can see here it's got a little bit of flexibility. There is no warping, and it is one that I have been using consistently. So again, you need the iCrafter base platform. You need the Self-mending ProCutting Deck, either magnetic or non-magnetic, and then any clear plate that you have. You'll notice there is a slight bit of warping with the clear plate. Not a big deal, but there's no cracking with it. So it works really well through the Platinum Spellbinders machine. As a reminder, here is the sandwich you will need to use with your Platinum die cutting machine. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video on using the Self-mending Magnetic ProCutting Deck.